Yo, yo, yo. So I haven't posted much, primarily because I don't know what to post. And is my stream up? My stream working? Hello? There we go. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Shit. What's up, Emilio? How you doing? Forgot. Alright, hold on. I'm not. Why is this doing all this? Oh, they changed. Streamlabs changed a thing. Yeah, you're gonna see a ton of me right now. Hold on. I'm trying to, is this my site? Nope, that's not it. Fuck, how did they, there we go. Alright, here. I need to cut that off. I'm not trying to show my URLs. And there's something else I had here. Is it this? No. There we go, there's that. Alright, I'm back in Florida. Yeah. So I have the chat on my phone because I don't have a setup right now. Oh, my camera's frozen, no? No, it's not. It's not. Okay, hold on. And I should be getting a better camera quality soon. So, I go back to my dorm next weekend, but I probably won't have a stream set up until, like, the weekend after. And I also get a new phone, too, so I'm gonna get my own phone plan, get my own phone stuff. So, yeah. Right now, this is the last thing for the code that I have listed. I mean, not for the code, for the site. Oopsies. We gotta move this. So this is current because we're gonna be doing this here. So I don't know how much I'm gonna get done today because I started streaming late because I had to do stuff earlier. And I gotta do some stuff tomorrow. This whole month, upcoming month, is gonna be a big struggle. It probably until next year, probably February, I will be very busy, which is tough because if I do move to California, I'm gonna have to do a lot of things. So I'm gonna have to figure things out, and yeah, I didn't stream last weekend because of I was at Evo, the gaming event, and yeah, it was fun. I saw a lot of things, had a fun time in Las Vegas. So yeah, and I didn't get much done except recently I did fix this. So I fixed this. So when you click on it, you can go back. And I need to make these icons, but I fixed this so it pops up with the song info. Because I didn't like the whole drop down thing. But I do gotta make these icons larger. These are kind of small in comparison to like everything else here. And this whole thing is kind of small, I would say, the text here. So yeah, I need to fix that. And then I also fixed, I think, on the side here. Oh, I'm still logged in. I bet if I refresh, though, I'll be logged out. No, I'm still logged in. Okay. Yeah. So I also did it here. And then, so there's not that much stuff that, this is one of the things, this is test data. I don't know, this seems kind of, the issue here is this, I don't know what to do here. The design here, so I had this, which I realized that doesn't have a cursor on it. Where is that? It's here. So this is very much the last part, but there's a lot to it that I realize I have to do. So refresh this, because if we do it like this, there's one thing I do want to do, which I want to count up the amount of hours I've actually worked on this site, which not all of it's recorded, but a lot of it is. And I'm pretty sure it's close to 1,000 hours. So I do plan to make a spreadsheet, because I know for that Chrome extension that I built, it was like around 120 hours, probably give or take 10 more. I mean, not give or take, but add possibly 10 more hours, because I didn't stream all of it. But yeah, I think the audio should be good. Let me check, actually. That Chrome extension, yeah, audio's good, which well, decent, I would say. There's still echo, or audio's just bad, but yeah, I'm probably gonna stream for like 3 to 4 hours, depending on, I don't know, my parents are gonna get food for me, but yeah, I really want to get this done though. So previous songs here, what happens here is just gonna be moved over here, and then this is where I'm gonna put the shuffle button. So what I'm gonna be doing here is when I do, here it is, fetch previous songs, what it's really going to do is throw it, I'm pretty much just gonna be throwing this over on the other side, or the other page, but hold on a second. See something real quick. It's not gonna update live though, which is okay. But we need to make it so when we click on this, it loads this. So, oops. Let me see what. And then I need to make a pull request soon. I'll probably make it next weekend once I get settled into my. Yeah, next Sunday I won't be. No, Saturday. Probably next Saturday also I won't be streaming, because I won't have a good setup, because I'm down. I don't know. I haven't explained this yet. I'm down to 2 monitors. I went to California with 5 monitors. 1 was damaged. I came back, so that left me with 4 monitors. I came back. Now 2 more monitors are damaged. UPS is some hot garbage, man. The one thing I'm afraid of is I won the claim for the first one because they packaged it and did all that. I don't know if I'm going to win the claim for these other 2 because I packaged it. But I'm going to call back on Monday, because I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt over this weekend to get their stuff together, because all I have to do is wait for them to finish filling out the claim stuff. And if the store doesn't, I'll call the store on Monday at like 3 o'clock because of the time zones. But when I need to figure out, because I don't want to hang on to this stuff. If they do want to, they said they don't have to pick it up. They said they don't have to. They already finished the investigation. I don't know what investigation results were, because they're sending the paperwork to the store. So I don't know how that's gonna work. But yeah. But I need to hold on to it until I get a resolution, because it's like I never know. And there's a lot of stuff happening next week. Next week I get my eye appointment on Tuesday, which hopefully it goes very well. I get my car appointment on Monday, which is in the morning, which is fine. But the one thing I need to probably do tomorrow is empty out my car a little bit, so that way my car appointment, if they need to do some stuff, there's not so much stuff in the car. And then see, I was getting the oil change tomorrow. I'm just talk for a bit. I get the oil change tomorrow, but or not tomorrow, on Monday. I get the oil change, but I wanted to also get a car wash and um a vacuum, because the car is dirty. But I need to wait till all the stuff is out of the car. And then, bro, I these next 2 weeks I'm chilling, because next week I get my new phone. No, is it next weekend? It's the yeah next yeah next week, the week after next actually, the 26th. I get a new phone. I got the Fold 4, so I need to make sure that my file transfers all work out. There's and then I need to get a phone plan and all that, and should be the same SIM card, but who knows? But then I have to ship this phone back, and then one thing I need to do is get a new phone case, which is going to be another $100, because this phone case was not cheap, and the Fold 4 is a whole different thing, so I'm gonna have to be careful with it. I got the warranty on it, and then after that, my parents are moving out of this house that we lived in for like 15 years. They're moving. And holy shit, it's gonna be me back and forth every fucking weekend. I swear. But the thing is, though, if I find out that I get this job, I'm gonna be spending like the next 2 months probably figuring out all this. I really hope I need to figure out a place to live first prior to moving things over. So I'm hoping that I just have to wait until I finish the semester, and then I could just um, move my stuff over, because I have to find. I say move my stuff over as in not my possessions, but my car insurance or whatever. Everything I need to change the address. But the thing is, I need to find a place to live. So I'll probably be back in the hotel for a month. And I say a month because of probably moving situation reasons, and I definitely don't want to move in with bad internet. So, but the thing is, I say a month because I need to probably save up those first few paychecks that I get from the new job, which will probably be very nice. So, but I get paid bi-weekly. But I don't have confirmation of how much I'm making. Right now I'm making $39 an hour. So if what my mom says is correct, usually it's sort of double. But if they do 70, I want to try and kind of want to try and argue 75, mainly because of the extra stuff they're going to be making us do now. So I don't know. Um, it's hard for me to actually compare what other people are doing for what I would try and be arguing for. But I need to see what they offer. If they offer more than what I expected, then I'll take it. Um, but I need to get that confirmation first before I really hope it's I have to ask my boss on Monday, but I really hope it's off. Like he doesn't, like he says, wait another week, because I don't need to know next week. I got too much stuff to go through right now, because I need to move all this stuff, move into the dorm. I need to make 2 trips, which is the first that I've ever had to do, because yeah, there's a lot here. I wonder, would I be able to just leave and then have an Uber Uber this stuff. I need to look into that because that might be easier if I can do an Uber and not have to make 2 trips. Hold on, because that might actually be easier for me. I don't know how that'll work. Much love from Vienna. Where's that? I don't know where that is. Vienna? Is that Italy? Sounds like town name. I don't know where Vienna is. But yeah. Is that HTML and CSS? Yeah, it is. It's JavaScript, HTML, CSS, PHP, Python. I'm not using Python for the site. It's not reasonable to create a site with Python. Austria. Oh. You can create a site with Python, but it's not, I would say, optimal. But Python has a lot of other better aspects usage for it. I do need to get back into Python because I need to recreate my Twitter bot. It's just been my Twitter bot's just been collecting dust because I hit some limit on the Twitter thing and it was getting angry at me. So I need to see, but I need to finish the site remodel first. I'm just kind of talking right now. So, but yeah, this is a music site because I study media technology. Oh. One thing I need to do is change out. I never worked on this shit. The all songs. But I'm sure I can figure it out. There was programming in, I don't know that Python that's supposed to be CSS, HTML, and Java. Yeah, I know a bit of Java. I'm gonna be using Java at my work more. They're gonna start getting me more into Java, which it's cool and all, but being thrown into Java just like off of a project is kind of like, it's gonna take me a minute to get used to, but it shouldn't be that bad. I know like the bare basics of Java, but they have us using Eclipse though, and I just hate it. I hate Eclipse. I've been using Visual Studio Code for the past 2 years. I've just gotten so used to this that switching to Eclipse, because this search bar on Visual Studio Code is so nice, but the search on Eclipse is so weird. I made a little game with processing. You talking about is it P5 P5JS or something? Is it this? Yeah, P5JS. This one. I watched how are you doing, Lo? I'm doing good. I'm doing fine. I'm just chilling. I did want to get into this, but I realized this is I watched the Coding Train, so I know Coding Train does a lot of tutorials with this because he basically helped built it. But to me this is like for my band I made, yes. Oh, that's cool. For me, this is more like it's like SVG. It's like you can create cool graphics and cool stuff with it, but for me, it's just hard to like conceptually use in a website. Like I don't understand it, and it went horribly wrong. Like, see, I understand this, and I understand how basic this is, but when it comes to like certain things, I don't know. I don't have any ideas. It's cool language or whatever it is, JavaScript library. It's very cool, but it's just not something for me. I did want to learn ASP, but I got too busy. I was following like a 200 video tutorial, but I got like 10 videos in, and I was too busy with other things. You can't share your screen, yeah. I do have another project after this. Let's go to musictierlist.com. This is gonna be the next project that I work on next year. I should probably say 2024, because I'm not starting this until 2023. But yeah, musictierlist.com. You can't see the URL because I don't like to share what my URL is. Can't don. Hey, you're good. You don't have to donate. I'm fine. I'm chilling actually. But yeah, the site. Let me show what the site currently looks like. I always have to do this when someone new comes in. Busy with that. Yeah, I'm busy with the music site. So this is what the site currently looks like. Oh my god. It looks so bad. But this is what it's gonna look like. It's such a difference change. But yeah, I plan to hopefully I say are you vaccinated? Such random questions. Are you vaccinated? Yeah, I got all three. I haven't gotten COVID. Or I might have not known, but I definitely never felt the symptoms or anything. But yeah, I'm vaccinated. Um, so yeah, this the site remodel is gonna look like, and I plan to have this done by the end of this year. But the issue with that is because I'm gonna be very busy these next few months, and depending on a few decisions that I gotta figure out. So it's a very bad timing for me to make a promise date. I have Adobe Creative Cloud. I do too. I just have. I only took Photoshop. I didn't take everything on it because I don't use it like that. The only thing I want to get from Adobe is their video maker editing video. What's it called? They have two things. They have Final Cut Pro, which is like $300, but I don't know. But I'm gonna wait to get all that because I need to have a better setup because I'm definitely gonna get a new laptop, some point next year. New laptop, get a PC. I don't know. Next year is gonna be very different. I I studied media technology on I don't know what that means. Sorry, but I'm doing computer science. That's my degree, computer science. But I graduate this semester or this upcoming one. You a gamer? Uh, I I dabble. It depends on the mood. I'm not. I'm more so just programmer. I really just program all day. Like if I had to like I don't know. I want to get into gaming again, but not right now. There's so many things that I want to do programming wise that I'm just like, I don't know. But yeah, I graduate this semester, this upcoming one, which it's with MS Teams or Zoom. No, it's in person. They used to do MS Teams for back in 2020, but they stopped that last year. Like last fall, that's when they started doing in-person classes again. So it's been a whole year since they've been doing in-person classes, and I don't know. I don't really care for me because am I crying? No. I think it's the lighting. The lighting is very bad in this room, and I don't. If I turn this shade open, I don't know if the lighting will just be worse, but no, it's just very bad lighting in here. Ooh. Ooh. But yeah. Yeah, see, I'm watching the stream on my phone. It's the lighting. But I'm gonna close the thing again. I don't like the windows too. Like the neighbors could see right through, so I'm not gonna leave it open. But how to change your Uh, no, I don't have a girlfriend now. Been single for quite a while now, but I'm not really. I mean, I'm not really looking right now. I just want to. I need to get my life situated with before I figure out what to do with the rest of it. Because these next few, I'd say next 5 months are probably gonna be the busiest months of my life. So until February 2023, then I'll be like settled down. But right now, I don't have enough time. That's my biggest issue is time. I don't have enough time to do a lot of things. Classic gamer move. But yeah, I'm gonna start programming because I feel like I've been streaming for a while. I don't know. I got 5 viewers. Sorry, I had a girlfriend, then came COVID. Uh, I mean, I don't know how to respond to that. You can. No, no, you're fine. No, you're fine. I mean, no one else is talking. You busy? Sort of. I don't know. I just kind of wanted to stream just to do something, but I don't expect to get much done today. But I don't know. Well, I'll have to see. It's 3 viewers right now. You don't have to. Oh, now it's 3. Yeah, it said 5. Alright, more data gets. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I made a little shooter game for my studies once. That's cool. Let me see. How does this work? I tried so hard but got so far, but in the end it doesn't. Linkin Park. I like it. I've been listening to a lot of Linkin Park lately. I don't know if they still releasing stuff. Yeah, Linkin Park, yeah. I don't know, they ever since Chester died, I don't know if they're doing anything. Yeah, they're on a hiatus. That's gotta be because of Chester. Yeah. That Visual, yeah, it is. It is Visual Studio Code. So yeah, they're not working on new music. I don't think that. I think they're done. I think they're done. I don't. I don't think they're gonna come back to music. I'm gonna be honest. Because with Chester dying, that was so something like that. I don't know what. But with Chester dying, I don't think they're gonna continue because it doesn't. It doesn't. I don't think it'll feel right. And wasn't he? He was the lead vocals. So with him gone, like I don't think they're gonna do anything. Which is fine because I think they committed suicide. Yeah, something like that. It's unfortunate, but I think it where they left off is fine. Renovate playlist. My best therapy. For me, my best therapy is just listening to music and programming, like with no disruptions. How long you still live? Well, I mean, I'm gonna be live for a bit. I'll probably go live again later, depending on my mood. But I'm gonna have to see. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, it really depends on my mood. But this previous song is gonna be here with that there. We have to move all this actually. Are you normal therapy? Yeah, I have normal therapy. I go like every few weeks because I used to go every week when I was like going through some stuff, but I haven't really been going through a lot. And for me, um, it didn't. Not a lot of stuff has been happening, so I don't go to therapy that much anymore because I've been so busy, and then I've realized like nothing's bad been happening. It's just very just talking, figuring out like yeah, like get to talk to my therapist every now and then because I've just been going through a lot of other. Ooh, I don't like that background. I've just been going through a lot of other stuff right now, trying to figure out my job. I wish I could share my screen, show you my project. Hold on, let me check. Hold on a second. You smoke too much? That's not good. I need to take this off. Add. Oh, wait a second. You want to? No, I don't. I mean, you can talk about. I mean, I don't know. I don't really care about people's habits. I don't. Are you a personal therapist now? No, I'm fine. Oh wait, why is it red? Alright, let's see how this looks. That lockdown was hard for me. First lockdown was hard for me. I worked for. I don't know what that is. Lockdown wasn't bad for me because I'm used to staying inside, and so for me that's just an excuse to stay inside some more. So I was like, yes, I can stay inside more. But yeah, I'm chilling. Alright, I think we could do that. And then here, save proof. We could take this out. And then open. Is that a game for a web or a website? It's for a website. I tried doing games and just I don't have any ideas, and most games are to me are oversaturated, so I can't figure it out. But for websites, it's easier for me to come up with something. So wait, I need to unclick here, but we need to say. You an introvert? Yeah, highly. I got Asperger's, so. But I also got ADHD, so they don't mix that well. And that's primarily why I got a therapist. Because, they don't work that well. Because sometimes I want to be alone. Well, I'd say sometimes. Most of the times I want to be alone, but then sometimes I don't want to be alone. So I'm just like, damn, shit sucks. I made a little shooter once. What do you code in for game design? Do you use the Unity or some other one? What's the other one that's popular right now? That they just I can't remember. There's Game Maker, there's Unity, there's You don't have to donate. Like you really don't. I'm fine. I'm I I'm not in a struggle for money. At least I don't think I am. Just Java? That's not that bad. Processing programming. Not that bad. I feel like some of these I can delete, but some of these files I don't know about. So I have different languages for the site, but I haven't, these need to be updated, which probably be later this year. Because I do plan to. You broke right now? No, I'm not broke. I'm not rich, but you know I'm chilling. I'm not. I'm doing fine actually. I'm not over here like in need of money. Hop off call. See you later. All right, see ya. Nice talking to you. Ooh, that looks nice there. Let's see what this looks like. Let me make sure this is muted again. Cause I need to. Have a nice evening. Much love. Hey, appreciate it. Thank you. How come this didn't work? Chosen to replace is not a function. Oh. Mentally as well. Appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, so why did this not load? What's your specs on this? Is a laptop. I don't know my specs offhand. Sorry. They're not good. I can tell you that. I could run Minecraft at 20 FPS, maybe 30. I could run fighters, Dragon Ball Fighters at low graphics, like middle graphics. So that's why I primarily program on it. I plan to get a PC next year. I said I was gonna get one this year, but shit happened. Yep, shit happened. Search key limit. I'm gonna put on some music. I don't know if the audio is gonna be good, but we'll figure it out. Well, this isn't. If there's audio issues, let me know. Otherwise, I won't know. Because to me, audio's fine. Oh, you know why this didn't work? Okay. This didn't work because I didn't run this. Right. I hate this song. I had this. Oh my god, I hate showing off this site because this site looks so trash. Something to me. Oh my god, that's loud. Oh, let me make sure it's not loud on the stream. Yeah, let me check the stream if it's loud. No, it's not that loud. I thought it'd be loud. I've only been 40 minutes live for 40 minutes. I feel like it's been a lot longer. See, what's crazy is I plan to put the ad the ad either here or on this side, but on this side I don't know if I can put the ad over behind this. Like, I'm sure I can, but I don't know how that will. People will be like, oops, I accidentally clicked the ad. It's like, shit, yes, I got more money. Let's go. I could do that. I could. What I need to do here is I need to run this. Is this on the same site or the same page though? Yeah. Yeah, okay, so now it loaded. Now I need to fix this UI, which is trash. I don't know why I'm still using this slider here. No good charge for fetch previous song. Like, this slider thing is so old school. What are you coding? I'm coding a music site. So the music that we're hearing right now is from my site, from my music site, which the site is trash. It looks trash. It is trash. I coded trash. But we're changing that to this UI. This UI looks so is this for school, for work? No, it's personal project. I like doing personal projects when it comes to programming because it makes you learn. I try and do long-term personal projects because it's easier to learn something when you're doing it long-term rather than short-term, because then I learn more, and plus then I feel more proud of something that took me, like, say, for an example, if something took me 1 week, I feel more proud than if something took me a day. It's just for fun. But it is public. The site, you can use it. I don't recommend you can use it now, but I don't recommend it because of the UI. But this is what the UI is gonna look like. I just need to clean it up. I need to clean it up, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I need to do. It's almost done, actually. I need to... Previous songs, I'm gonna finish up. Shuffle playlist is something I need to do, but shuffle playlist is gonna also... I need... Oh, next song. I need to change, I need to change the grammar on this. I don't know next songs. I don't know. But there's a lot of stuff that I need to check. Like, I need to change the UI on this. And then this also loads in very slow. So there's a lot of stuff that I need to do. And then I need to figure out what it looks like on mobile. So I've been working on this for the past year, for this entire year. But a lot of this progress has been done in the past month. All of July, I've made tremendous progress, which is annoying because when I look at what I did in the beginning of the summer to what it looks like now, you don't see a lot done because it looks the same, but there's a lot of other stuff that got done, like the playlist stuff, all this playlist stuff here, and then there's still some stuff that I gotta do, but it's a work in progress. I'm trying to minimize what I want to get done now, so I can release it and then continue working on it. Because there's some stuff that I need to finalize, and this one right here, the next songs list, it's gonna be pretty much no, because I forgot. I still have to do all albums and all songs, which this isn't that bad, because these are gonna be same format. But I need to get my favorites out of this. But it's almost done. That's why I'm saying at the end of this year. It was originally gonna be released at the end of the summer, but is it? May and June, I didn't get much done. Do you code for work too? Yeah, I do programming for a living. Like right now I'm interning, and I program. I'm a front-end software developer, and we use React. We use React.js, which I plan to shift this site into React.js in 2 years after I do this update, because React.js is very easy. And, well, I say easy. It's easy if you jump on a project that started with React.js. Starting a project from scratch with React.js isn't that easy, which is what I need to actually do. Because this one I sort of rebuilt from scratch, but with the elements of my current site. Like, it's mostly rebuilt from scratch, except the scripts of like what things do. So if I do it in React.js, it's pretty much gonna be also rebuilt from scratch. That's why I want to make this UI good, so that way in 2 years, give or take, I can do it in React.js. But yeah, but this is done with PHP, JavaScript, jQuery, primarily jQuery. JavaScript's just there. CSS, you know. And with React.js, I can do Sass, CSS, Sass. That's a lot better. So there's that. And then there's a ton of stuff you could do with React.js. The reason I didn't do it in React.js this time is I didn't have enough time. I'm using Bootstrap, which people like to argue Bootstrap is like, oh, it's a layout based. No, you still got to do a lot of it. It just helps format and make it look nicer, but you still got to do a lot of it. I want to learn how to code low key. It looks very fun. That's why I love coding, because with coding you can take literally nothing and turn it into something. Asian Jeep, I have many questions, but I just gotta go by. What is that, your Discord? Sorry, I don't add randoms on Discord, I'm sorry. But it's nice talking to you. You could probably just stop by to stream again. I'll be live for sure more times, so just stop by if you have more questions. But yeah, keep an eye out on the site for the site. Oh man, if I sit back, this is why I need to. I don't have a good chair. There's a gamer chair, which is very bad. But yep. Oh, I know what I need. So it's cool people are stopping by. People have questions. YouTube need to fix their damn live stream thing. Like their live stream thumbnails are so trash. I do plan on uploading more to YouTube next year. At some point. The reason I haven't uploaded a lot lately is because I got a lot to do. I still got a lot to do. I need to understand to not be stressed, but for some reason every time I look around, I'm just so stressed because I'm like 500 things. 500 things. I still can't believe it's 5 o'clock. I gotta take my dogs out, so hold on. My dog's gotta go outside, so hold on.
I cut the grass, I burn it fast, I build it up, I'm stacking cash. Get up on the beat and get the bucking like a rapid dash. Show fool, I'm legendary, flow so hot I overheat. Human torch, flame body, burn you if you close to me. I'm balling like I'm supposed to be. Tell them hoes that I'm the man, I beat the beat up. My punches fire, Darmanitan. Feel the heat with thick fat, I burn you if you heat proof. You can't put my fire out, not even with a sweet tune. Fresh up out the oven hot, I'm rotom in its heat form. Hotter than the superheated field effect from Reborn. Vocal Rona in this bitch, I'm scorching and my buzz is up. Put a crater in a trainer back like a camera. Boy, check these cinebars, I'm poking with the face shift. Shoes on my feet, they fire too, I call them blaze chicks. On a sunny day, you couldn't see me with a lamp in. Bugsy, Jasmine, Byron, I beat all they ass by rapping, cause
Alright, I'm back. Alright. What am I doing? I don't want to keep Wait a second. I already... This should be... The languages stuff will be easy to do. It'll take me a few days to do, but it won't take me long. I thought I had a pop-up. Oh no, I do. It'd be here. I do need to... Hold on, let me... I am unmuted, right? Good, yeah, I am. This time. I need to put this here instead. Which I believe was... Yeah, it was here. Alright, you know what I need to do here? Oh, shit. I need to turn this off here. So that way I can... Hopefully it stays. I don't know if it'll save if I'm logged in. But yeah, why is that still dead? There we go. And then, because the color is not there, I need to change this. And then I want to change this listen thing to that pop-up. That didn't. So that color should black. Where is this? Oh, it's because of that. Alright, and then this probably needs a better font size. We'll give it 25. Oh my god. It'd be funny if I don't get COVID. I don't get COVID the whole time I'm on that trip, but then I get COVID like just walking around somehow. Style, what are we doing? We're doing font size 25 pixels. Once I get a good setup here, then I'll be able to determine screen size, because these screens are like 2560 or something, so it'll be good. Alright, this is fine. The font size, I think I need to definitely fix this here. How did I? There's got to be another way that I did this. There's no way that I didn't do this where, like, look, if I search up Willie Nelson, so it does put the %20 as a space. And then I need to put empty space. You're back, welcome back. I'm a nice music. It's Shofu. You wanna Shofu? He does some music. Releases a few things. Well, album is not. It's not. It's a single. Here, let me. Oops, here. So it's not so much an album. It's just a song. But it's Shofu. He does some music. He releases a few songs here and there. But, yeah.
Hey. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get back to business though.
Okay.
Used to play in a band, and I got kicked out because I sent. I don't know that. I got kicked out because I sent. I don't know what that means. I need to make this font size larger, but I need to restructure a bit also. So the song name should be and then I feel like a lot of these are not gonna be properly done. Because here, oh no, it does do it automatically. I thought I needed a space. Yeah,
don't fuck with you lanes. Got my dick in her mouth, she got nothing to say. Me and that Ruger like Jesse and James. I get messy with brains, man. I check on the chain, drop the rest on Lil Misty. She busting it open. Hit it so hard that little bitch need a potion. HMOA pockets deep like the ocean. Try catch up the slogan, my car use explosion.
Alright, so artists, and then we need to do
Young Shofu, this is how we do. Rolling with my crew, me, Ash, Misty, Brock, and Pikachu. I Pikachu.
that needs to be first one.
I'm just messing around.
Search, replace. Artist creator. There we go. I do want to, so if see, I want to be able to add extra space here. So I think the site ads will go on this side. Because there is some extra stuff I do want to, I need to have ads on the site. I do want to make something. I do need to get rid of, I do need to get rid of this. Should clean up. Okay, so I do need to, I did have one that had a blackout. Color outline. Now I need to change this font size here. Long ears, yellow tail, zigzag, and even ground types get annihilated. You can change your type. Use conversion. I don't mind so many leaders made him tag along. Yellow version, I'm there for whatever he do. He's here for whatever I do. And no matter what we do, never evolve into a Raichu. Pokemon number 25, yellow mouse, mascot. No matter who gets in our way, wear a mouth. The issue here, I need to make sure the font size is good enough size for all of them. There's definitely a style thing that I could do here. But I don't know how to do that. Is this definitely with this on the screen now? This is definitely gonna make it strange. I think 20 is okay. Omar on the corner. I think I could. So why is it? Oh, I know why. I don't know why I coded it like this. And I just need to have this in here with this out there. And then there's another thing I gotta do here.
on the beach. If he itching for trouble, I swing on a board on my enemies, duck or they flee. Insects yell nothing to me. Tell them it's G, they can't even see me. They stop playing local, they ain't know the code, so I hit
now, how do I...
moving the money. You was talking, we fly to your wallet. You lucky this cussy be moving in slow mo. I pull up with that chopper, my left on that trigger, but I am not taking a photo. Ring bells, yeah, I'm all about up. Move work on my island in 8th grade. Got your chick in my crib and she like what she seeing, bitch. I'm finna slide like I'm KK. This my playmate. You stuck in game state.
Now I have a feeling.
Watering can with the drip, bitch. I maintain my bitch is yellow. Posted at windows, looking just like Isabella on a fake gate. Top trees put the hardwood in her guts. Iron nuggets in the clip, don't stand around. And crack body bag, going zipper rub. No ceremony for your life when I hammer down. Hey, last night boss my bank account. Ramp up my game, y'all let it down. 2 hits and a weed be pecking now. I caught a little buzz off the tree, y'all passing out. Hey, back to cross.
So I still need
deposits. Man's is flossing when the magic wand with bags are dropping fast. When I'm smashing rocks with axes, cashes, max, and I'm grabbing all in my closet. Man, if you want it, I got it. I need to make a deposit.
So I think if I change this to
I need my paper like Tom Nook. I need my paper like Tom Nook. I need my paper
but
like Tom Nook. I need my paper like Tom Nook.
why did I code it? Change it to heart and then heart 2. So change this to heart 2. Heart 2 and then heart. This should work fine. Damn, my room hot as hell. That's probably why I'm red. Huh, interesting. So if it's not in it, it should be heart. Heart 2. Heart 2 and heart. But then I thought if this were opposite, I thought it would be the other way around. Oh, you know why? Because song ID. Heart doesn't have it. So what I gotta do here, actually, is add this to the damn song ID. Which is fine.
You are in the town where all the pokes misbehave. I stay killing team 6-0. Look at all the graves.
So hover. So this is actually heart. Heart 2. Heart 2. Now, why did it? This artist page. Because then we're just gonna say
young chauffeur when I'm fresh up out that rock tunnel. You step in the town, look at the ground, see posting chopped bundles. What a fright, better get your frequencies right. You might not wake up tomorrow, no point in saying goodnight. Where Pokemon come to die, you
Pokemon come to die. Now, theoretically, holy shit. Only thing I'm thinking about is the issue with. Hold on, let me make. My audio's on, right? Yeah, audio's on. Sorry. Only thing I'm concerned about is if this thing. I'm afraid these will have different instances for this. I should probably underline that. But with the player that I took out, This should be okay. I'm not gonna use that. I need to add the new songs to my site. There's a lot of new albums that came out that I didn't put onto the site because I've been so busy with life. So once I have the automation set and done, I just need to get it up and running. Next year, I need to buy some burner laptops. Speakers. I feel like this order is lying. I took out genre because I didn't want people to argue. No, this genre and that genre. So I gotta fix that. And so if I do this, did not update this, which would it ring favor me? Let me update this. Oh, because it took out the. So if it has this, it doesn't change the. Remove favorite, add favorite. So I gotta link these all together and fix them. It's okay though. Alright, so let's say here, override, and then here, I need to say through. So I need to change these on click events. It's not there though. I'll just do if override. And then I'm gonna need to do the same thing with the use also. Wait, no, if it doesn't have it, it doesn't do it. I don't know exactly what this is here. All times. Slurp it up, go. Slurp it up, go. I don't know what this alt ID shit is, but I do need to go to add favorite here. I need to move all this here. And then in here, the heart filled is gonna actually be. Oh wait, no. The heart filled. And then I told that bitch leave me alone. Alright, so I think that guess we'll see. I don't know. Alright. So if I favorite this, I need to fix that. Unfavorite that. I wanted to update this though, but if I update that, then it'll be like that. But what I could do is this. When I hit open tab, what I can do here is if open tab, if tab name equals and I don't have global variable for just generic things, so I don't like this. I have all in playlist settings, but I don't have generic things here. Like this should all be in like one set variable thing, but I don't want to go and change it. So I'm gonna say bar is previous song. Previous song selected. I say false. It's a long ass variable name, but shit, I have enough. Yeah. Like that, and then if it's on set to previous, it's set to true, and then when we hit I feel like canvas. Yeah, we do have this we do have this as more than one defined here. So we do need to change this, otherwise it's gonna mess up our thing here. Our previous songs. Yeah. Because and because this isn't I need this to be also another function. Because don't need this set. We'll just leave it as is. Because we need to set this to when we press on remove favorite. So what we need to do say is if blank. There we go. And then this is set to true, then we reset it, which is fine, because we're in a whole different menu. This I need to change, so let me refresh. Which I believe we're getting the same variable things here, because this has previous song, favorite song 2, previous song 4, then no ID. But when we hit add favorite song, I believe what we're doing here is we're checking favorite element. We're changing this image, which is not. Previous song. Wait a second, what the fuck? Favorite element. New song. 2-string underscore song ID. 2-string. Element ID. But. Let me check it. I think this is changing then. Hover. Hover. And I click on it. Why did. It has to be because of favorite songs, no? Favorite song. But it didn't. Okay. It didn't remove it there. And that's just how the story goes. Oh, this one, good favorite country. But this should be only the song. I feel like I took this one out. This sounds horrible. I actually don't. So the issue here is that, did my friend have a nice evening? Hey, thanks. Oh wait, wait, why was my thing wasn't loading? My comments weren't loading. So. Alright, see ya. I don't know why I didn't see those. Sorry. The issue with this... Do we have... Yeah, I could just change this all to a thing here. I need to get I hate this. This should have worked. Why did I think so? I do this. I gotta fix this. But this should have updated. I don't know why it's not updated. Global previous songs not updated. But yeah, I gotta fix this. This should not happen.
Yeah. That's how the story goes. So many styles like over choreo. Mix the black with the white with no caramel. That's scenario. That's just how the story goes. Shuffle when they talk a killer be already know it. Boy, my diamond's so beautiful, I'm feeling myself. I explode on any track, bitch, I'm killing myself. Diamonds all up on my wrist and they fucking up your health. And I need some running shoes to wear. I run through the well. Yeah.
So when I click on this, looks like there's some padding going down here. But where? Like, look, there's clearly maybe because I didn't define a width, but width should be. Oh, it's because I have it set to center, but. Say position sticky, then you're back. Gonna be watching. Alright, welcome back. I'm hoping that it stays like that. Now as for the previous song.
Hey, I'm bringing that sicker fire fire and you niggas ain't nothing but lumber to me. Ice in my mind, I can't choke when I flick out your bitch on my dick, she a number to me. So shocking, that shit is like thunder to me. Get the thanks to my IVs. Bitch, I'm blowing your mind with
oh, you know I need to.
that shit lately, cause they got a side beam.
So I need to make sure I have the axe.
I feel like I'm Gary, I can't waste no energy on a hater. Disrespect me and I'm beating your ass in a Kuma pose on I'm like Terminator. Blue hoodins on me like great balls. Nurse joy, bitch, I ain't taking no days off. I keep that hater on me, catch you playing with fire.
How you doing for real? I'm doing fine.
Back full of Malasadas. Yeah, so roll up, I might go. And I got a mind state like Mewtwo. Bitch, I ain't the one that be fucking with 5-0. So Cario, bitch, I'm a psycho. Fucking with the team, get ready to die slow. SS any, I'm driving a day. I'll just in my car, I can get these niggas the hell off of my boat. Boy, I be dripping too much Pella Pro when I dress. I be surfing on them and they clean them my way. The kid must be a water tank, cause your shit isn't fire even on the sunniest day. I swear the Archie is you niggas sweet, man. No wonder the shop out of honey today. Them boys wanna know what kind of leaf we on. Blade burst on that bitch, everybody get blazed, nigga. Show for the goddamn league down level 100 in this bitch. Hair on the top of my head on me, top of cocaine.
The playlist is Shofu. It's still Shofu. It's not much a playlist. It's just playing his music. It's the Pokemon Cypher 2019. So it's just playing his songs. Man, what I need to do.
You ain't got a stunt, motherfucker, get a clue. Got 3 fingers in your bitch, Mewtwo. I don't even have to try in order to kill you. I can do it in my sleep like TM82. I had to fool in you and Ambi bomb. Put your hands up. Niggas sleep, need a wake up slap. Got my hands cupped, eradicate all you rat-a-tats. Call it pest control. Every bar I spit is toxic and you about to grow. Oh no, hold that beat button, leave you in the smoke. Come back with the Siggy-Wide, snap you with no scope. I future saw your girl looking like she wanna go. She want my South Pole, cause I'm in my magnet zone. Young Cyrus money, drop a G on a shirt. Fuck around, my laser focus, guarantee this'll hurt. I come up to your face, see how this pin this'll murk. Ollie toed gloves off, now this physical work. We're leaving you shocked. Flow sick, and for us, need a flu shot. Got a 733, boy, that's 2 Glocks. My music talk, gotta roll them in a boombox. So cold, they gon' need a warning about a blue fox. With a 9 behind me. Can't clear on camera, I need a scope to find me. Right anywhere from my homies, hold that oak to find me. Climb my mountains, I'm crossing up all that roads can find me. Ayy, Kofa Gregas, I got arms, I'm taking out of the case. Only premium when we swarm, single beams in your face. Secret powers, you live in your base. I'm a ground like Mr. Brownie boy, step out of chase. Look. Yeah, look at your badges. Mine is tenfold. Smoking on Cosmo. Got no mental. Nines in his face. Now he looking like Tempo. Bitch like Torchic. Ate it with Crisco. You get 6-0. You never win it. Look at my belt. I got several extensions. Yeah, he got a break, but he really a kitten. Put flame to that pussy, and now he a lit. He the only trainer that don't run up where I'm standing. This bitch carry my kid in her stomach like Chancey. Every shot lands, but I hustle like the ramp. Fuck 4 bad bitches. Now I'm headed to the gym. Wait, did you really think you scary like me? Threw balls at the legend. Now they sharing XP. And he say Gen 1, but he Gen 19. If he run up on the cat, get cut like tree. I be jigging like a Ludacolo. Hold up, I put shells to his back like
I got refresh.
Shooting at me, homie, slow. Whoa, I be bulletproof like I'm Kamo. I be Mr. Brady sending birdies. I ain't never got it worried. Chase him down and I lay his ass out. Homie, this a really bad route. Man, fuck the goddamn booker. Just run your pockets. Who gon' fucking check me? If I kill you, then good riddance. I said fuck the law, then fuck the law like red hat no sense. Bitch, I pull up dressed in black. I hope to God you got a vest. If you test me now, you snore like fed you shots and let you rest. Rocky, ice wrist, 200 flat. cash on the dash, I'm a flight risk. Had it do the dirt, cut the work like a vice grip. Metal 6'5", no cap, like I'm 5'6". I'm the cool kid, you super nerd, you don't fit in. You hate from the outside of the decks, you can't get in. Money stacking tacker by the way that I be winning. And I only tell my mama about the cash that I be spinning. Bitch, I got guns, pull a chopper and I'm shooting. All my niggas finna eat, I feel like Brock, I bring the food in. They say token, please stop fucking with a nose like y'all fluents. But I do it, does it, fuck it, in 2 months I'm gon' be doing it. We step to the fire and you finna need a oven mitt. I don't even move, score bunny with the double kill. Do shit, lazy than a bitch, game freak. I ain't never took a nap, I don't Pokemon sleep. And you know we finna creep in your Pokemon home. Take your Pokemon back, then we Pokemon go. I need ice, my wrist on sneasel. Brought my canvas, brought my easel.
I already have a
Just
style.
like sprinkle, let my nuts in like McGruder. Rolling frizzy, plant inside this blood, this X-Pow, you can't hear us. I got pressure all around me, I advise you don't get near us. This shit mad and gross, I don't wear no diamonds, only shine on me is mega stones. Token on the roof and then red dot on you like Ampharos. She like how my money Dynamax and how I drop the boat. She said I'm a water type when I pulled out that Gyarados. That's your hoe, on my bed, I'm on my Gary yoke. Let it go, chandelier, we light 'em up and
So I don't know what this will look like on smaller screen. Might be. Have to change.
Yeah, it's SH to the UE. Who's he? That's the dude that rapped about the MUE. This dude's weak, he's Magikarp, his moves stink, he's splashing bars and half his are about smoking doobies and going through trees. Only that means I'm Drew Key, always rolling with new breeds. A few G's stuffed in a blunt, stuck between 2 leaves. I'm friends of Blaine, you know I stay forever blazes. Looking like I meditate, but really they stay ready.
And it should be, so if I do this, and just leave, so if I do this, and then leave, and then open this, that's fine. You sing? Nah, not really. So we still didn't solve the issue with the... When I hit that, it does that. It did not solve that issue. You have a voice? I mean, not really. I'm in a place in my life where you probably won't notice me. Move through the darkness like Probe. My shorty a fairy like Togepi. Focus my energy. South sauce any little trainer who think he approached me. Couldn't put me in a bad spot. Homie got hands like a match out. We gon' break him and toss to the backdrop. Huh? What? More elite than the final four. I see the future like God of War. I see the truth in the unknown, so now I be moving to conquer more regions and gems. Rock with the rhythm like Onyx. I keep it low key with the winds. Brothers can't see where I been. I'm in the league where I only compete with the Brocks and the Missies, the Garys, the Pauls. I bury them all. I keep a low hit my lean on my hip cause I need it real quick just to kick one of them off. You still ain't peep that the boy got the sauce. I'm at my peak like a Pikachu getting ready to evolve. No, I don't. I never have lost. I came from the kennel and not the this. I need to do this if the song is playing.
You know that's who be never slacking, getting bread. They say y'all loaf around. My last resource a choice to just abandon all these clowns. They got that red nose, but no brilliant laser pointed. Yeah, we see them. Guess if life is an adventure, I'll treat joy like I was seeing them. Do not need it. I'll repeat it. Get deleted. Ghost retrieve this. You an open book. You know I read it. I ain't gotta wait. Download completed.
I don't know right now. I'm gonna have to leave this as is. I don't. This doesn't even have the correct color.
And I'm back up in my cipher mode. Ooh, huh, wait, circle small like Pikachu.
But for now,
Wait, huh? They'll be static if you get too close.
just right now it doesn't make sense to me.
Because I was in hangry mode, violent out, I could explode. Pockets now full belly though. Hunger switched, I see them. Oh, like a bubble beam, we poppin' and we wavy. I'm getting green and sticking to the beat just like a groupie. She blew me, horsey, fly like I'm a comb.
that did upload or update. But now I need to do 2. Reset these. Now, if I go to the next song, yeah, it doesn't update. And this doesn't. I wanted this to be aligned here, not so much out here. I don't know how. I know I do. Take this out. But what I need to do is move. Wait, no. If I add this, I need to know the distance or the width of. I need to know the distance between here to here. So it looks like it's about 500. But I have the picture for all the It's because it's. It's because of the way I have this set up here. Like, I think so. The issue here is because of that. Okay, so there's that. What I need to do here is the left. No, and this is where I need to do this. Take this width out. That's so hard to see. So 67, which I believe is just this thing there. So 67 left 430, but this probably will change. But we will have to see, because I'm not exactly sure about it. And then this, I gotta take out the justify on it. It's like good. We're gonna have to see how this goes. That looks, it looks slightly off. I can see it. Was it down? It's 430, I'm pretty sure. Which is what I currently have it at. So let me run it through a few songs, and then let me see what the consensus of this is.
IDM forever after.
And then when I pause this, it's not really. I gotta figure that out.
I'ma handle that. Shit ain't adding up and you don't wanna see the aftermath. You niggas couldn't see me like I sand attack. Been the same. You niggas always switching up something like you ashes. You Giovanni mob ties. Ain't a sound when you drop me out Persian. You pussies get around at your top. You wanna buy, now you bound till I stop. Put a pin to your puff, meaning metal to your round till it pop. Ain't asking a lot, it's nothing to attack for the guap. Bitch, I keep that drink.
Okay, it's not that bad actually. I do need to make this font larger here. The font size is small though. Yeah, I need to figure out why this is like that.
We stay strapped, got more pieces than Vic Teeny. Ain't nobody hyper, I promise the wrist beam ya. You ain't beating me, tell them niggas to keep dreaming. Beware in the anime, how I just keep squeezing ya. The drip nasty like milk moving. Your shorty like to swallow. Told it it's bone club for a consuming. Mimic you steady mimicking the fake. Waste my time and space to find your spirit in a lake.
Back.
One of us gon' die if we ending up dead. Even nigga, when that dot on your head, that ain't red speaking. It ain't far-fetched when the stick leaves your head leaking.
I need to figure out why this is.
Any nigga scheming, chandelier, fire on you and I'll hang you from the ceiling. Couldn't see me with a silk scope. Acting off the shits, bro. The long nose keeping you controlled like him. I keep it on me, let me show you what it hit for. $Okay, bitch, you know the line. I really flip those. Tiptoe, 6-0, nigga, I ain't vibing with your tempo. I pass along your life as a memento. You a king, tryna fuck with the kid. You get a shit show. Star Studios, we gon' let it clip go. We dog niggas. Go around your neck with your leash. 10 years in the game. Come correct if you speak. More O's in my account than a Gen 1 buy price. You new to my region, let me show you what my life like. The elite is no debate.
Wait a second. It looks like it did play.
Give a fuck about your lineup. All of you get lined up. The yoga on my wrist still saying that your time's up. Made it through you.
Why does it pause the song after I hit play?
That could make a cipher any better, nigga.
I do this. Do I? Maybe I did this wrong. So then what is... Oh wait, I can see what called it here. There was an on-click event from here. But I never... I think this... Oh, these have... I'm missing this. That might be wrong. Let me see. Yeah, so it's... For some reason, it's changing it to... If I took this out... Let me see that. So pause it, play it. Something else here is running this. Yeah.
The wind's ominous, that's fake. Didn't know these ghosts were alone and bone heads were whack flames. Action, Travis, we bagging up. Can see my super gore guys to these average folks. Can see these seconds hiding out in the grass ain't nothing. They so normal with the flow, man, their raps can't touch. I got immunity, these silver souls ain't spitting nothing new to me. Stay keeping O's on me, I ain't talking about them Hoover rings. I'm back with you, UB. Plus I brought their own goose with me, y'all come out to the team. We them legends with them lunar beams. Sugamori with the brain of Da Vinci, but you lanes freaking petty, nightshading the Pidgey. I'm a pan pour, I'ma make it rain. Just let me know your place or I'ma dig your effing grave in the city.
Because it's dead?
What's good, show food? We in this bitch. Happy Halloween. Hey. I'm a motherfucking monster. They was fucking with me, jump ship. I'm jealous and I'm praying on them to get stronger. That's your bitch. I'll put her to sleep. You dream eater on her. Wake her up. Then for the rest of her life, I'm just gonna 93.
What I think is happening. I think it's happening is, I think it's running at the same time as setting the on click.
So get all that out of here. Long as I'm in this game, you won't get no fall badge out of here. This is something that I have to say. Saw Gary, he was crying at a tombstone. I walked up and said, fuck you and your eradicate. Getting normal with the fighting, it won't work then. Shit gets weird here. They've been scared
I think
of
it's
first gen. Token black is in this bitch. Shofu ain't in this bitch. Niggas thought that they was by themselves, they seen their mischievous. You don't like what I'm saying, and you don't have to listen in. Let me hit these frequencies right, then you'll listen in. Dribbling with your soul, yeah, your soul, I be lifting it higher and higher for every rhyme that you didn't get. Rapping lavender, you know I'm out here killing shit. Fire with these ghost types, just like a fucking liquid is. Floating through this game like a motherfucking Brillish did. Pass it off to Shofu, let him get this shit. See me, shit in you with the bars, boy, you ain't killing shit. Battle all these pocket monsters, that ain't what I recommend.
And I think we want to do the same thing.
I'm ghost, that's a trevenant. Poach your post for money, leave you dead like my president. Heaven said get a pastor, cross the Pokemon master. Everything in my path gets thrashed, it's a disaster. Bastard, turn humans to ghost types. Casper, we in this bitch. No drift loon, I kidnap ya. We killing shit, the current go to Philip Mr. Fuji's house. Check my stats, I swear to God, that's something to be spooked about. Ancient post in 2012, I'm back and now I'm pooping out. Astonished by my savagery. Don't give a fuck who's around. Act stupid now, I'll put you down. Get taken to the afterlife.
Yeah, let's see about this. I think it's because of this, definitely.
When I spit, you see a candlelight. Chop myself in half, you still wouldn't be half as nice.
Which doesn't make sense to me, because it shouldn't register that so quickly, where it sees it as another click. Yeah. Go to sleep and never wake up. Heard it's spectacular, blasting you with this Halloween heat, fresh off the chandelier. Yeah, so it plays the video. There's two sets of players. Right.
Burger patty and token black. Hey, this shit on? WDFA, bitch ass nigga. I forget. I don't fuck with you lames, I done bossed up. Niggas throw dirt on my name till I pop up. Token pull up with a stick and I pop up.
Guess we didn't have to do all that.
How these niggas get chopped up. Fuck with the gang, you get turned into sawdust. Red light, stop sign, can't no one stop us. Fucking that bitch in her mouth till her jaw bust. Bitch, I been in the game. This shit in my veins. I shoot for the love
If it's not that, then what is it?
Me whipping that Tesla, boy, stay in your lane. Is that like they know me, but we not the same. And that's why you only see me with the chain. Come with me, it's portable. It'll leave you in space, now you orbital. You get hit through the wall like a glory hole. He got caught by himself like it's story mode. I be stunning these niggas, no Maury show. Yeah, you bought it, but you can't afford it though. I be making these niggas look horrible.
Why didn't it
check?
my
game really moving. Your life, you gon' lose it. I pointed and aiming at you. My team full of animals, we in a zoo. All these niggas, they watching, but they never do. My shooters that shoot, they got nothing to prove. My shooters don't care, they got nothing to lose. Got so many shooters, don't know who to choose.
This definitely should not be effective.
I'm never alone, got my gang in this bitch. If you go against us, you gon' lay in the ditch. Got a beam in the scope, better pray that I miss. I can't do with them mob on my anime shit. If you think you ahead, I decapitate shit. I smoke in the stew, boy, I rap with a stick. I got here on my own, don't you ask me for shit. We spinning the ball like a dreidel. Y'all niggas can't get a seat at the table. The last nigga tested me, now we disabled. You learn from examples, his ass is a fake. All of y'all niggas was capping. You ain't got no action. My niggas be trapped, they bringing them packs in. My niggas gon' get it. We call them a medic. You don't get the picture, this chopper gon' edit, bitch.
Ooh, why is that? I don't like that this is so up here. But not have a height limit on this?
It's your fool on the beach, your favorite of scenarios. Another day, another badge. I'm still up on my Gary flow. Runners on my feet, boy, and you ain't got a pair of those. Dance and make it rain, my money longer than a Gyarados. Bitches say they dig me, I'm like, welcome to your burial. Throw tantrums in the pussy, so I do not fuck with fairy hoes. Shaking up the world, boom, bursting through your stereos. The chances of you winning looking very low. Really though, fuck a dream world because everything I do real. Nigga, I am too ill. I just popped a few pills, pop a couple more like I'm trying to learn a new skill. They calling me an
I have it
I'm the new bill. I just let the music play and start to take control of me. I'm feeling like a sticky bar cause ain't nobody holding me. Ain't nobody over me. Bitches getting close to me.
I have to change this one here. I see now.
I'm flyer than a ho-oh, so she bouncing like a pogo. Way she giving up her tail, she like a motherfucking slowpoke. Ash hat, double cup of lean, that's the logo. Mighty combination, take a sip, you get an O code. All this gold on me like I'm born and raised in Johto, but they see me in the streets and they just telling me to go, go. I'm the flyest in this bitch, okay, ballin' with a sprain, all this ice.
I don't need to change the ID for. We changed the ID, there's no point. I need to check these out. They have long ass. There we go. And here. You know what we need to do here? When we hit next song or previous song, we need to make sure we need to make sure we have this. So here, wait a second. No, wait, I do have next song icon. Oh, because we don't have. Okay. Because we didn't do this. And it's not. Why even? Why do? Why is he? The fuck does this?
I ain't got no time for BS. I pull up like red. If it ain't about the bread. 3 dots on his head. Don't like how you come in, I let off the lead. Got your girl singing, she put me to bed. Ain't about the money, I'm running, I fled. He gon' stop me for taking a step.
We literally don't need the image. We literally don't need the image. What we need to then do is this. Then we make sure we have this here. Let's just do function reset. Missing no. They be like, why your slot stripping though? Missing no. Call that rapper dead. Cause he dead. Pull up to the indigo league like bread. Bitch, I'm flexing on my DS. I ain't got no time for BS. Yeah, next song's not done yet because of. So if we do random song. Previous song.
And I want some legendary shit.
Alright, so now what I need to figure out is... and then what I need to then do is mobile previous. Yeah,
trainers know that I'm Kojo, too quick, you slow bros. I'm running jokes, so highest HP, I can murk you in slow mo. So my blow your tyro, I'll train you in my dojo. I'll fire blast you caterpies and leave you screaming, oh no.
Dang.
Shuffle in this bitch like a new ring. WEFA is DNX. No, I ain't with Missy, but they saying, boy, you been a star. And my flow is just super hot, cause all I spit is center bars. Fuck up like I get a car, yo, swag ain't never gonna get this hard. Just trying to get my badges up, my nigga, take the trainer car. Winning ain't in they destiny, they got that divine identity.
Clear history.
Motherfuckers, not what they pretend to be. I'm RCS with the entity. Best believe when I use that Gyarados, I take aggressively. You don't wanna become my enemy. Offending these niggas, I'm killing these niggas. My flow's in this ones, I'm feeling these niggas awesome. Often, please receive with caution, but lost them. My sword stance, they play dead, possum. I awesome. Flow sick, leave a trainer coughing. Nigga, no the faggot, bitch, I put them in a coffin. Yo, aim is always lower when we battle. Hair across me, I'll leave you sleeping with the magic cards. Look, bitch, I'm meta grown. Keep it dirty like a grimer. Don't get act like I'm a fuck your girl. No need to miss
So
the
now
grimer.
this.
For a second, I'm the coolest, no tenter. I'm flyer than a Pidgey. I leave these haters pigeon toed. Gotta get your level up, my nigga. Use a missing note. Deli bird, I'm ice cold. I am on my Christmas flow. Sleeping on me, lovely. Kiss my ass under the mistletoe. I take flight, drop your ass, drift bloom, pop your ass. Everybody knows me. Motherfucking probably.
It just starts setting, but if I do
Pokemon Masters, show food with 56. Bitch.
I don't know why I don't have any of this set for.
You are watching a master at work.
Y'all
Yeah,
little
so
ciphers were cute.
let me refresh this.
Let me show you how y'all really get this shit done. You in the presence of the king and a god now. Dofu, show them why you the king. Look, the Pokédex entry is Darumaka. Always spitting this hot shit. Be the flyest niggas of all time.
If I put in that should have cleared. Then I do this. Then this will work. But when I just do a random song, is it double?
Your friends parties, they full of diddles. Y'all always guessing up lame shit. Y'all sound like gas in that instrumental. I'm popping off in this bitch. I already caught them all in this bitch. I know you really see me eating this beat. I'm like crocking out with this shit. And I'm locking onto your shit. I want it all. We working. We
think I
get
did
busy.
this.
You a cotton ball in this bitch. All you niggas soft as whimsical. Get them shizzy. Y'all better dig me. Speak to the six. Getting everybody back in the scene. It ain't never been hyper or aurora when I say you catching a beam. Cold as auroras. Dipping through your city. Taking every single
So if it has the pause, wait, no, if it has the play, this has a second thing to it.
I'm a demigod, y'all niggas best repent. I'll dog y'all, Zygarde 10%. I'll murk Ashino Wednesday and say I gave them up for Lent. Get it? Better call up a medic. Nurse Joy for a
Yeah, it's right here. We need to take that out.
The man is here, the champion dismantler. Off him and dangle him from my ceiling. Call on my chandelier. You haven't
There we
heard.
go.
We the illest villains. Rap tag. This was light work. Don't let me go in my damn bag on fire.
I'll do another song. This didn't get fixed, but that's okay.
I suggest you people retire. I run this, stirring up my waves.
That's okay. I thought I did a flow.
This tag game is done with, bitch. Everybody out knows I'm a monster. 6-0 a trainer with just me on the roster. It's like, don't ever say
But I did a float left on it.
from a mile away. I got hard guys if I'm mad not to stay low key when I wave this forward. It's gonna be found it. My team's a threat, and you looking stressed about it. Hurt you, I murk you, I go in like curfew.
I did it somewhere.
My M's looking purple, they master. I catch it, I'm faster. I turn you to ghost, that's like Casper, absol like disaster. I drizzle, come.
I don't know. There we go.
Oh, the indignity.
Gavin,
This is illegal, you know.
Silence!
you kissed him?
And then, why is that red? There's a few things that I need to fix here. This. That red.
I'm moving like Gannon, my shoes you can't fathom. I load up the magnum, it hits like a cannon. Yo, chest out with canyon. They asking what happened. Pink pussy like salmon. I'm balling like Madden. We get it, we trapping. It's right out the mansion. Plus straight from Cuba. I don't understand them. We kill them, we damn them, we aim them, we blam them. I know the assassins. And you still get abandoned. When I spit, it's a classic. Tripping like acid. Picture fanatic. My stomach grumble about the shit on you bastards. Take me to the safer. You can see the shit don't get drastic. Bitch, I really mean it, nigga. I ain't being sarcastic. At the head of my classes. You can see that I'm the shit and you ain't needing no glasses. Putting feet up in asses. Niggas feel us, you fear us, you hear my shit thunderous. None of my business, but I was just wondering.
I want to change this out, but I don't know what to. I'm gonna leave it as right now. I want to do like maybe a tab thing up here. Like a collapse and open, sort of like what I did here. So up here. That way it's easier to navigate instead of this. One thing though I need to fix is this. On this item,
Ain't got time for niggas that don't got time for money. That shit I stay away from. I made one, spit a straight lover. Ayy, niggas like a sweet like Bubba. Ayy, she couldn't resist, so she gave me a kiss and then she hopped in the tip like Sasha. Gray, slice and dice, I'm like I'm straight from Garuda. Ruthless with the beats and killings.
bro, why do I got like 4 viewers? YouTube's so weird. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button, that subscribe button. Yes, it is here. Oh wait, yes. Okay, so search for artist value here. So if I run this, it stays empty. So I think what I need to do here is move this instead of here, throw it on play chosen, because right now it doesn't make sense. And then let me just, I gotta do another check.
Hey man, it's that 2013 Shofu and Young Bass or shit, man. We ignorant. Even though it's 2016, you know? IDM, we still up in this motherfucker.
This is kind of small, but I think
I'm still up in this motherfucker. You already know Shofu in this motherfucker.
it still didn't clear.
We flexing on all y'all, man. Shofu, how are we flexing, dog? We flexing? CT Rex attract, so how make you drop your jaw just like Tarantrum? Punch you on my side, go punk a boot, turn your ass into a phantom. Goddamn! Come through, I'm snatching your badges and money and girl up for ransom. Now she don't wanna leave. Like a barbarical, I'm just too handsome. Yeah, I'm a handful, straight out of Canto. I be your anthem, this is the anthem. Fuck your banter, I just dismantle all of your
There we
chances.
go.
Haters swinging from my nuts like a
But when it does that though,
shit like a chandelier. Running through your six like Canada.
running through the strip like Canada.
Sanders spam is all trying to burn me like senator. You
Yes,
already owe me a debt, don't forget I'ma let my turn win like a Lannister. Risky so cold it's on Deli Burr.
Do that. And then one thing we need to do is I'm not click on this.
Flex on you trainers, my champ. I ball on you hoes like Durant. I ball at these haters, they don't understand. Y'all don't get it. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you trainers, my champ. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you trainers, my champ. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you trainers, my champ. I ball on you hoes like Durant. I ball at these haters, they don't understand.
Bro, I don't know, I can't.
Who the fuck is that bitch? I'm the king up in my city. Just Kyrie crossing out, nobody fucking with me. Pussy ass niggas out here looking like a skitty. Used to feel so down and shitty, now I'm falling like I'm Whitney. Watch me ball out on them niggas, what the fuck is up? Love me, I ain't going nowhere, I got suction cups. Used to put these niggas in the ground with the mud shots. Now I put them in the sky with the uppercuts. Sacred fire in the booth, you a liar, I'm the truth. Right, you light a nigga up, got me
like that.
Harden on my body, if you bite and lose the tooth. All these fucking guard boaters, who you trying to pollute? Anyone can get it, this ain't version exclusive. Crick game stupid, nigga I abuse it. Champion of music, got these badges, I can prove it. On Explode, I got acoustics. Slash, I leave them wounded. Strength, I move it, moving it through the guillotine. I execute them. I'm flexing on you haters like Macho. Hit select,
It doesn't make sense. I got so many of this.
slow pokes, flow venom, toxic croak 6-0. Now I'm feeling like, oh, my flow's so good it's scary. You niggas just some fairies. Hit you one time and you gon' be needing some citrus berries. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you trainers, my champ. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you trainers, my champ. I ball on you hoes like Durant. I ball at these haters, they don't understand. Y'all don't get it. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you trainers, my champ. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you trainers, my champ. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you trainers, my champ. I ball on you hoes like Durant. I ball at these haters, they don't understand. Y'all don't get it. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you trainers, my champ.
Now I believe these are the same. Like that, and I honestly don't know the difference, why I had the difference between them two, so I don't know right now. But, what is it? We changed this to, like, we changed it to 6, it'll stop being red, so.
I don't need no bike, I'm holding B, I'm finna run it up, my numbers up. Cypher is the gang and we one of one. They were never one of us, they mad cause they ain't done enough. Gang is up, my brothers up, levels up, my funds is up. Call them how I see them, now them fools is buried under us.
Yeah, see, look, there's, and then close it. But when I close it, it doesn't actually toggle it.
She gotta suck it up. That bitch on my nuts. She ain't moving. She got suction cups. Heard I got the sauce. So what she doing for a couple bucks? And I hit it first and from the back. That's a sucker punch. Then she gave me brain. Catch me moving on that tucker front. Ultra ballin', had to leave and get my money up. Trap catching too, I still sip lean up out that double cut. All about my green, that beam is lethal when the sun is up. Ain't no poison type, me and my niggas finna run amok. The son of a champion, and you niggas the runner-ups. Pokeballs to legendaries, catch me in the gunnel bus. I don't need no cover-up, where the gun is kept. Turn his ass to ash, I'm Mr. Mime.
I think, yes, this is why. There's two classes here that have the same ID. Which is why we're seeing this. I think I take this one out. And we should start seeing it work now. I think that's... I feel like this is opposite of what I need to do here.
What? Y'all thought I was joking? I'm throwing honeys in here like I'm Matt George. G.E. It's like the game. We back at it again. Let's get it. Cypher warm-up. Been a minute since 2013. Wow. Next gen bars. Everybody heard ye. Now. Leaving y'all with black guys, bloody shirts, teeth. Shuffle set 'em up. Now this brother gon' beat. That's what had y'all doing backflips. Fact is, people put that cypher in the past tense. Bad sense. You weren't on the first one to the practice. Whack it. Now I'm doing warm-ups for the second one. I'm doing this for Max. The punchline king is the punchline god now. Cold flow, frost in a Ross needs a Ross. Wow, dubs on my mind.
I didn't know.
Winning like a knocked out. P stop spinning, watch a real trainer ball out. Choking on the smoke from that.
It is about that. So if I hit that, do that, do that, but then when I hit this, it doesn't toggle it. But that must mean doing a toggle here? Open sidebar.
Boy, I'm going off my energy. Your whole squad is out of whack. You ain't got no synergy. Mention me, you see my pockets fatter than a blissy bee. Give you boys the deuce, then I'm headed off the victory. What had y'all doing backflips? Madness. Crazy on the B-boy, I go back shit. Catnip. Persian pussy on me like a magnet. That's it. Haters never feel me.
And this doesn't matter so much because I'm going to change it anyways, but
Bitch, I'm in the cut like a phantom. The way
so
I'm
here,
best approach me with your hands up. Now all I do is win like I'm Professor Oak's grandson. The cypher finna hit you like the jaws of a tyrantrum. You better throw a tantrum when it never come out. Weather will drop low as hot as AD when the weapons come out. Pressure 'em out. Shuffle busting off the strength will put you in a wheelchair. You softer than a stumble and I'm hitting like a beware. I'm prepared. Take me away. Watch how I regroup. You think your shit is over till I hit you with a Z move. Well, you don't get no redos. This is just a prelude. You come in with a school, but to me you just some seafood. You asking for the cipher, you ain't ready for it. You gon' need some towels in a bit, but that's another story. Thanks to all the fans for showing love and being so supportive. I'ma give you what you want. Come in September, you gon' hear us roaring.
hold on.
Yeah, ultra ballin', had to leave and get my money up. Trap catching too, I still sit lean up out that double cup. Iron bashel hitting when it kick the chopper double up. I don't need no bike, I'm holding B, I'm finna run it up. My numbers up. Cypher is the gang and we one of one. They were never one of us. They mad cause they ain't done enough. Gang is up, my brothers up. Levels up, my funds is up. Call them how I see them. Now them fools is buried under us. It's nothing much to put you in the sky with just an uppercut. Ballin' like I'm hard and so
What did I do with it?
Yo, bitch, not in your destiny. See me and she
Alright, I fixed that, fixed that. Oh, so we need to fix previous songs for when we do random, which kind of... How do I not have that set up?
Ain't no poison type, me and my niggas finna run amok. The son of a champion, and you niggas the runner-ups. Pokeballs to legendaries, catch me in the gunnel bus. I don't need no no cover up. Bag is where the gun is touched. Turn his ass to ash. I miss the mind. He get his motherfuck. The fuck is up. Looking for a legion that can fuck with us. We prepare for anything and you don't wanna trouble us. Climb around that nigga neck and then we make him bungee jump. Really boom a drum. Motherfucker, give the drummer some. Eat until my stomach busts. They sweeter than a honey bun. Whole team eating apples and them cores. We got a ton of them. Snorlax on the beat. This shit looking like another lunch. Try me and my niggas, boy. Who dumb enough? Bitch.
What I need to do here. I believe I just need to do all this here. Can't.
You are watching a master at work.
Y'all little ciphers were cute. Let me show you how y'all really get this shit done. You in the presence of the king and a god now. Dofu, show them why you the king. Look, the Pokédex entry is Darumaka. We spitting this
No, so this shit already.
of all time, you will never be in my cockpit. These badges all in my vest, I got these monsters all in my pocket. We point them at them, we aiming at them, we blasting off Team Rocket. Boy, stop it, you ain't passing like you pseudo-wudo blocked in. When with any Pokemon PC, they ain't gotta be in my top 6. They all secret weapons, I sweep your section. Future sight, we don't need perception. My signal beats, we don't need reception. Your souls and mine, I'm just recollecting. My preconception, God level. Arceus, you bow down. I'm like Silk Coat when you was little, nigga. I'm way too hard to figure out now. All you niggas do the same shit. Your friends are parties, they full of diddles. Y'all always guessing up lame shit. Y'all sound like ass in that instrumental. I'm popping off in this bitch. I already caught them all in this bitch. I know you really see me eating this beat. I'm like crocodile with this shit. And I'm locking onto your shit. I want it all. We
Yeah,
working,
here.
getting busy. You a cotton ball in this bitch. All you niggas soft as whimsicott. Get them shizzy. Y'all better dig me. Sweet coon to the 6. Killing everybody back in the scene. It ain't ever been hyper or aurora when I say you catching a beam. Cold as auroras. Dipping through your city. Taking every single batch from every one of your homies. You better go ghost cause I'm holding 4 arms like Graveler. But can none of y'all hold me the waviest nigga in your horses? Been ice ever since I was born. See, sleeping on y'all cause y'all bore me. The rest so good I snore B. You better take flight like HMO2 cause I'm known for letting that cannon blam. Sidekick, a girl my side chick. She's
Why is this not
giving a damn when I'm gripping it, bam. The aftermath,
Really?
I'll hurt you. Your life will go in a downward spiral whirlpool. I'm a demigod. Y'all niggas best repent. I'll dog y'all. Zygarde 10%. I'll murk Ash on Wednesday and say I gave them up for Lent. Get it? Better call up a medic. Nurse Joy. For I have somebody driving a hearse, boy. You better stay quiet as whisper or I'll explode. You'll hear boom burst, boy. The man is here. The champion dismantle him. Off him and dangle him from my ceiling. Call on my chandelier. You haven't heard? We the illest villains on this rap tag. This was light work. Don't let me go in my damn bag on fire. Wearing my stripes like electrifier.
So it should be here.
I suggest you people retire. I run this.
But
Stirring up my waves, leaving sunk
it's
ships. Ain't none you on my level, boy. This tag game is done with, bitch.
stuck on
Everybody out knows
this.
I'm a monster. 6-0 a trainer with just me on the roster. It's like, don't ever tag me again. Can shoot the whip
Okay.
Falcon from a mile away. I got hard guys if I'm mad enough.
Oh, no, it should.
Maniac. My name gon' stretch like
Let me
Mr.
see that.
Fantastic. If you choose not to stay
Alright, so now if I hit next song.
my team's a threat, and you looking stressed about it. Hurt you, I murk you, I go in like curfew. My ribbons alert you, my M's looking purple. They master, I catch it, I'm faster. I turn you to ghost, that's like
Okay, so next song doesn't do it, but if I hit random again. Okay, so it's next song. Let's see. Alright, but if I do previous song.
And ain't shit gonna be the same, bitch. If only you people knew. Question. Why these niggas really out here trying to act like they don't know I'm winning? When they know I'm winning, they be like you're talking black, right? No, I'm winning. Fake nigga or friend, know the difference.
Alright. Alright, so let's when I hit, I know why he's doing that. It's because I added the. Because I did this. This is only supposed to be when I did the click on the other thing. Now the issue is the next song. Alright, hold on. I gotta be RB.
If only you people knew. They ain't never doing nothing, always ask for something. Always doing something, never ask for nothing. They know the champ is something, he gon' get the cannon dumping. These pussy niggas see me coming, hit the panic button. You niggas got no type of heart, I got these bastards running. My man's just trying to make some money, front him half an onion. Need some bands or something, call my niggas up and they gon' handle something. What people think is what a man becoming, time to give him nothing for cheap. Niggas looking for a come up, getting nothing from me. Niggas don't know who they are, looking for someone to be. Nigga, I come from the streets, and now I'm in a hotel trying to double the tree. You can get up in the game cause it's fair now. Used to give a fuck about
how the hell does YouTube do that?
young niggas keep the metal with them like it's hair town. Niggas lose their life cause they couldn't win a stare down. Nigga, back in days I was watching anime, I ain't weird now. See at the table and I'm pulling up my chair now. Sitting at the throne on the top of my own shit. Why you niggas rocking student loan?
Alright, so now I got a chat over here. So now the issue is the next song. Oh, I had a... No, I knew this wasn't done. So... this should be true. Okay. Now what is a prize? Random song. Does this. Then we do play Chosen, which I thought had the thing.
Common sense, punching beats my stomach like a pit, and it's bottomless. Keep my shooters aiming at your head. I'm Greg Popovich, gon' go up, but you don't know who hit. It's anonymous, shuffle extra heavy in this bitch. Hippopotamus, I be spitting fire drills. Some would say I'm all about my dollar bills. I'ma blow up any day, but now I got some time to kill. This is an acquired skill. Run this shit, I'm tired still. Words ain't never worked before. Convince them, bet the iron will. Bend them to my iron will. Never needed any help. Never changing for a bitch. The love will make me lose myself. Chilling with my millions. Trying to get a zillion. Catch me in the dark, shining brighter than my brilliance. I'm out here going in again. Are you niggas feeling this? Well, I shut up, bitch. No one asked for your opinion. My own man. Nigga, you lost and check the floor plan. We don't fuck around. That's the motherfucking slogan. Water was a luxury. Now we sipping cognac. Niggas skip the script, but they getting with the
We have it.
Get at me, bitch. Point them pistols at me, bitch. Lead me to a bridge and tie me up and kick me off the shit. I need to be off for this. Bitches on my cock and shit. Pussy hoes in derriere. I'ma need a doctorate. Ball, I need a scholarship.
No, let's have this. So that should. Get a reset.
Scratch that weight, change that to worldwide. Just know she thinking about it, nigga, when your girl smile.
Yeah, reset it now.
Get at me, bitch. Finger on the trigger and I'm starting to get an itch. Ladies throwing pussy at me about 100 on the pitch. I be spending all my money, but a nigga still rich, yeah. Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch. Drop
Okay,
me
so
the shotty sucker. You
isn't
gon' catch the
getting
kid. Now that this here making dollars, give a fuck who makes sense. Once the youngin' started popping, I been ballin' ever since. Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch.
because
Parachutes
if I did
costing
the
double what you rent. No regrets. Used to give a fuck.
yeah,
Give it up for lit.
it's because of that.
Just to be where we got invited to sit. Drunk as shit. Might go fuck your bitch. Break up a couple
This is
quick.
for
Rubbing
anyway.
blunts I hit. Got me stumbling, but feel I'm running shit so fucking lit. They talking shit like who the fuck I'm is. Bitches mad. Houston, there will
That's for the
never be
ID.
none other than. Y'all take bad bitches in two. Mine all come in six. And they suck it dick. Come in quick in case you wondering. Question me. Click be dumping clips until you bums get hit. Rich boys looking like the plug, but we ain't hustle bricks. While you spend your money trying to fuck these ratchets. Ass backwards. Got the club jumping like gymnastics. He pass it. Tintin' asses. You can't grab an autograph. And if he don't touch, I turn to go. That's automatic. I swear to God. These rappers want no parts. Boy, I'm known to finish problems if you
Get
really
at me,
wanna
bitch.
start. Ain't got
Get
time
at
for
me,
small
bitch.
talk.
Finger on the trigger, and I'm starting getting itch.
You can catch me in the stars, that's where we are. All these women around me got me feeling myself. I've been drinking so much, probably killing my health. Jump out on a grilling, not revealing my wealth. And if I get the feel, you might tell. Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch. Finger on the trigger, and I'm starting to get an itch. Ladies throwing pussy at me about 100 on the pitch. I be spending all my money, but a nigga still rich, yeah. Get at me, bitch. Get at me, bitch. Drama meet the shotty soccer. You gon' catch the kid.
Your expression does not match the subject string.
Once the youngin' started popping, I've been ballin' ever since.
So if this, if it's a valid expression,
Hey, fucking around with my name, you get dropped like a habit. Turn me to a savage. I keep me a ratchet. You play me, put holes in your chest, now you ratted. I'm like an addict. I'm rolling with savage. You can get hit with a stick like it's matted. Apple my wrist, I don't need me a paddock. Played all my cards and I blew up like cannon. My niggas, you vanish. I'm trying to eat like I'm binging with Babbage. My diamonds be dancing. Your bitch say
I
I'm
gotta
racist.
fix
They
that
strapped with the mag to make me no
also.
chance. I came with that water if niggas is famished. Came with that water, I live in Atlantis. Hard body nigga don't take any damage. Young nigga armed with a cannon like Sammy. Got a bag, but I need me some more. My niggas strapped like we
If
going to war.
this
Talking, find out where you stay.
surprise
Pull up with that
enough,
choppers, they run like I'm holding the door. Got so much drip, need a boat and some oars. My team is winning, look up at the score. S in my city, I live by the shore. Hoes on my dick, I got bitches galore. I got women and whores, but a bitch get ignored if she ain't gon' be clapping it. Up in my face with no ass, I ain't having it. Take a L, I can't even imagine it. Feeling myself cause I'm thrown like a javelin. I'm a boss, let my little niggas handle it. Sending out shots to that nigga anatomy. Six in his abdomen, strapped like a handyman. Do that boy wrong, make it look like an accident. I turn my dreams to reality.
no, you need to take this.
Talking about batteries. I keep
If
real faking in my
this
attic.
side,
Write up a verse and I'm dropping it randomly. Walking the bank and I'm doing it happily. Grab me some cash and I burn it like calories. One of the greats got a mamba mentality. They see me winning and copy my strategy. Pull up with a foreign. My shawty, she bad, yeah, that bitch is important. Ice on my neck, niggas couldn't afford it. Down on your head like a nigga recorded. My Glock is enormous, they try to report it. Whole shells like a tortoise.
we don't need to set it here.
All of this cash, niggas thought I was hoarding. Dropping this shit,
Because we need it, we set it, we can set it here. So here, if it's open, closed.
Yeah.
So, are you dumb?
Okay. Golden Rock Station, I'm switching my regions. I'm throwing up money, no gagging and heaving. They say I'm bulimic. The way that I toss it, they couldn't believe it. They know that I got it. I'm toxic, I'm poison, I'm leaving, I'm riding, I'm catching, I'm curving.
If
They
my
all in
parents
my
are
my team on my back and we ain't even rocking. Excited, got me, man, them 808s now. I got them too, I'm speed till I'm off that. Hop in the mosh pit, close combat. The day I die,
there's another.
I don't wear off-white, mask in the top hat. This ain't no joke, bitch. I cannot go, bitch. Slash, I'm hurt.
Yeah, open side.
Bitch, fuck all these hoes, bitch. Fuck all my flows, bitch. Shout out my woes, bitch. Let me just step back. Like when it go in, I like to flow and shit like I was flowing. HMO8,
close. If it's open, it's closed.
So I gotta keep me a cannon. You ain't getting no badges. You just a random, you trash, you gon' leave empty-handed. And we don't do subtraction. Plus on my bag and my man keep my currency at it. I still don't understand it. How my collection so massive, your pockets abandoned. And I still keep a burner cause you ain't got no guts. I still hope to steal, I am no klutz. Bitch, I still got the gun on my hip like I know cut. I pull out the chopper and go nuts. You be talking
If it's open, and then do this.
you did when I show up. Nigga, fuck all this rabbit shit. I'm trying to blow up. Bitch, I'm like Brock about my donuts. Boy, you pussy, you frail, you a phony. You been afraid, nigga. Your squad, I eliminate. Why your HP so low, nigga? Sweet like some minute maid. You gonna need you eliminate.
Why did this not
You
open?
ain't doing no damage. I'm strong, I intimidate. Shuffle, just snap and eviscerate. You ain't shit, I'ma challenge you anyway. Crashing, we fuck up your gym, you should renovate. Nigga, play with my name and your downfall is imminent. Boy, fuck that pain, I be killing shit.
So, what if this should be in should already be a string? Okay. Okay. Whatever you say. And then to make things easier.
Yeah. No, I got it.
Just in case.
Jump on the beat and I splash, ayy. I turn the back like a mash, ayy. I was never with the mask, ayy. And you look over my cash, ayy. Pokemon 25, Orange on Pikachu. Diamond be blinking like they took a Pikachu. Shoot with the Draco, I'm leaving you leaking full. Pop, 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 pop. Like her like sweet too. She like the flow cause it ente, huh? Killing you dead at up sensei, huh? Hey, so the step on your sensei, yeah. Yeah, I ain't straight, but y'all bang it. Hey, smoking on tree, boy, I've been baked. What? Razor leaf, razor leaf, razor leaf, razor leaf. What's all of my enemy, enemy. Killing y'all like it was remedy, remedy. I am a god in my city.
Woohoo! So now if I hit this, yeah, it doesn't say we hearted it because of I took that update off because it doesn't, it's broken right now. So I'm gonna stream later tonight, but let me get done. So I need to take that. TOS paper for today. Scrolling. We need scroll loading, so this is what we're gonna do tonight. Scroll loading for stats page. Stats page. Favorite.
No distractions, please don't talk to me. Ain't about the money, please don't talk to me. All this weight I got on top of me. I got something real to prove to myself. About that bullshit, then I use a repel. Do it on my own, don't need any help. Tell the champ I'm running up on my belt.
Oh, this is
Remedy. I am a god
How long I've been streaming for? 3 hours? Not bad. Okay, so now when I do this, but now if I do this, okay, not bad, not bad. Next song, that's gotta be here. I put next up.
I don't fuck with you lames, I done bossed up. Niggas throw dirt on my name till I pop up. Token pull up with a stick and a mop up.
Now if I do that, if that doesn't work, so when I hit clear all, when I hit clear all, I should just say, is random equal to true. Oh, that's that way when they hit next, there's always something. Then I believe when I refresh. It does nothing. But if I hit on this, and then I hit clear all and hit next. There we go. And I really feel like, I don't know. This here should be after here, so I think. No, it's but how we're going to set up the next song, next song is like this. Let's say, I'm not gonna do that. Oh, that's already. Wait, so let's see if I pause this won't. That won't work. And then if I hit this and then hit next song, then it goes to 66. That's fine. The way I'm gonna do this though is like this. We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna say something like next songs, or say limit of 10 to, I have to say 20. And then I need to make sure. Oh, this is a great way to put in so that next songs don't play the same song. So if song ID is already in array, don't add unless artist has less than. And then what we need to do here then, each song is going to be random. So we're going to do like 1, 5, 6, 2, 10, 25, 50, and so on. What we need to do then is we select the next song, so next song ID equals 1. We remove 1 from array, so we're going to say length equals 20. If we remove 1, the length equals 19, so then we need to add a new song to it. Add new song. So we're going to do something like 30. And so, not 30, we say so like this. So that way, the length is always 20. Like this. I could do that. That should be very easy. And then playlist. Playlist, if it's so, if random song and random artist select. But if it's a playlist, what we're gonna do is the same thing. If playlist, same thing, but in playlist order, preset, and then I could do a drop down here to quickly change your preset. If you want to do that, rather than yeah, I'm gonna do that. This, this is cool and all, but I'm gonna move it here. So if we play the playlist, you can change your preset here. So you can change preset on this. And what we're gonna do here is, yeah, play songs in order based on preset, and then you can, I'm pretty sure playlist keeps repeating, so same thing as above, so like this, unless playlist has less than equal, like that. So that way we can fix if there's duplicate songs. And then it needs to cycle through. So if playlist reaches the end, go back to the beginning. If shuffle playlist if shuffle songs is on, then we shuffle the playlist. Doesn't save, just session. If shuffle is off, go back to, if shuffle is off, go back to original playlist order at beginning. And then what we need to do then if
Manipulate the metal like a magneton, heavily armed like I'm ambit pump, making that metal burst like an agaron. Nurse Troy calling ambulance, I spit like magmaton. Your weak flows don't affect me, I'm gastrodon, bitch. Everybody in the cipher after this, you gon' be bleeding. Team rockin' in my swisher got me coughing.
so scroll loading will be easy to do. Do it.
Catch me in the trap, bitch. Flyer than a flygon. I'm the best. Disagree, I'll break your fucking
This I'm pretty sure.
body bagging trainers. I don't count what fucking badge I'm on. Bunch of cash and I get it faster than a rapid dash. Summon like a bug type. Every day I spin a rack.
There's gotta be a quick way to do this.
Sorta like an unknown. Scoop, you're the same shit. Summon like a ditto.
On Zonfly, click the album name to view the song. This should be very easy to do. Should be able to get this actually. So I'm gonna do this first. This. That would be actually very easy to do. Pop up if you're saving the original code. Reset all changes. This. I'm pretty sure I took that button. Merge data. That's a reset counting. Oh yeah, this is what I need to set up. Favorite. Favorite pop-up. I can do this tomorrow. I'm gonna do this tomorrow. Alright, so let me say that. Put a playlist. Like for reset everything. Honestly. And then I need to make sure users can't edit anything.
You already know who it is. Hoes on my dick cause I look like Gary. Officer Jetty, I'm one arm, nurse and the other motherfucker. Lines overhead like an Elgin.
I feel like my site's very prone to attack. I need to go through all the text inputs and see, make sure, because the text inputs are what scares me. Because like this, I need to make sure they don't put anything malicious in them. And then why did this? Because I don't get it. Why is it? Why is it?
My bar stalk, twin blades make a car chomp, slice and leave you swimming with the fishes like marsh stomp. Burning mega Venus or putting my last lead, catch these niggas sleep. Talking, I'm giving them bad dreams. It's gonna be
What did I? Good. So yeah, so I took. I might.
squad, and I'm killing your section. Lesson learned. Hit on my class and want cash in a stash, boy. If not, twin cannons gonna be armed. Make a blast toys. Holding on 1/4, that'll zap those. Hit that encore and hit that motherfucker clap slow. Red screams mercy and I leave them in a hearse, bro. Line up every rapper I don't like.
73 to 93. That's 20. I know it was done with some math.
He's back. We're taking it all the way back to the first side for Scoop. Get him.
These trainers gotta go, get up out. What you doing? There's some unknown lame shit to our ruins. I'm spewing this Magmar. It gets me, you gotta get far. Like stuck in the cave, gotta surf on the wave, but wait, ain't no repel jar. Gotta keep my money on store legs, but it's too much in my backpack. When I keep posts to get more stacks. When I'm on the web, spin a rack. Full tackle, no shanks, got a bad bitch, no jinx. I'm make this like a
Yeah,
shop, get a bear, take no minks. That nigga Sergeant Bash is finished, you son of a bitch. Yeah, that did it, ain't no fucking stopping this. I'm smoking on that trappiest. I can see why they copy us. Did the rest nigga be jacking us. Hit you turn up, yeah, that's the bluff. Hit the wrong move, getting on not enough. That attack was that, so me nut. Coming through with a check in the rain, hit him up. You an old ride, I'm a super ride, but I
Here it is, right? It's right. So it's plus. So it's 20. So this should be. 22. But what changed? I'm trying to think what changed on there. So I got the game plan. I know what I'm gonna do. That's gonna be it for the stream for now. I'm gonna stream back later though. So oh, you're back? I didn't see that. I'm sorry. You keep saying you're back, but I'm actually gonna go. I'm gonna be back maybe later